Robots are not just science fiction characters anymore. They're building our cars, performing surgeries, and even delivering your pizza. But here's the shocking part. If you don't understand how robotics works today, you might be completely unprepared for the jobs of tomorrow. In the next 5 minutes, I'll break down what robotics really is, how it works, and how it's already shaping your life in ways you probably didn't even notice. Stick till the end, because I'll reveal one mind-blowing fact about robots that might change the way you see the future. So, let's start simple. Robotics is the science of designing, building, and programming machines that can do tasks normally done by humans. Think of it as giving a body to a computer. While AI gives machines a brain to think, robotics gives them hands, legs, and eyes to interact with the physical world. Here's the twist. Not all robots look like humans. In fact, most don't. A robot can be a robotic arm in a factory, a drone flying over a farm, or even the vacuum cleaner in your house. Now you might be wondering, how do robots actually work? Well, every robot has 3 main parts. 1. Sensors, like eyes and ears, they gather information. 2. Controller. Like a brain, it decides what to do. 3. Actuators. Like muscles, they make the robot move or perform actions. Here's a cool example. A self-driving car uses sensors, cameras, radar, LiDAR to see the road, the controller to make driving decisions, and actuators to steer, accelerate, or brake. Sounds like a human driver, right? Exactly. Robots are built to mimic us, but often they do it faster and more accurately. Okay, here's where it gets exciting. Robots aren't just in movies, they're everywhere. Healthcare, surgical robots can operate with more precision than human hands. Space. NASA's Mars rovers are robots exploring where humans can't. Agriculture. Farming robots can plant, water, and harvest crops. Disaster zones. Robots are used to rescue people in dangerous environments. And here's the fun one. You might even have a robot at home. A robotic vacuum cleaner that maps your house and cleans while you chill. Lazy but smart, right? Now here's the big question. Are robots taking over our jobs? The truth is, robots will replace some repetitive, boring, and dangerous tasks. But here's the catch. They'll also create new jobs that we can't even imagine yet. Robots won't just be helpers. With AI, they'll become co-workers, assistants, maybe even companions. Imagine having a personal robot that cooks your meals, cleans your house, and reminds you to drink water. Sounds futuristic? Well, companies are already working on it. The future is closer than you think. Here's the fact I promised. The world's most advanced humanoid robots can already recognize emotions, shake hands, and even make eye contact. Which means, one day, robots might not just work for you, they might understand you. So now you know what robotics really is, and why it's going to change everything around us. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to ThinkTech AI, and hit the bell so you don't miss the future of tech explained in simple words. Robots are changing the world. But the question is, are you ready to work with them?